Hi, this is Jen from Shabby Fabrics here to introduce our newest block of the month. This is called Blessings of Spring Renewed. And this quilt is especially dear to my heart because it is the very first block of the month quilt I ever designed almost 10 years ago now. Time has flown by and we've had many requests to remake the quilt. So when Windham Fabrics showed us the Rowan collection, I thought it was the perfect time to reintroduce this very special 10-month block of the month program, and I invite you to join in on the fun. As you can see, really fun combination of applique, a little bit of fun patchwork here, and a little bit of checkerboard up there, and I could not resist just embellishing this quilt to the nines. We'll get some close-ups of the blocks as we pan around the quilt. You can see there's some heart-shaped buttons and some sweet little buttons even here on the scalloped corners. Over on my other side, our angel has some beautiful stars because, of course, she's come from heaven. And her glass water droplets that are part of your embellishing kit are sprinkling the tulips below. It's just a very special quilt with a lot of endearing embellishments. Of course, those embellishments will be coming in that final shipment along with your finishing kit. Some of the other things that you might be interested in, especially on a quilt of this magnitude and how much investment of your time there will be, is that very special coordinated backing fabric. Be sure to grab that as well. Now, once you have all that applique down to the background, we know we need to stitch that down. We grabbed a 50 weight cotton thread set that is an option for you to add on as well if you want to have the exact same thread that we use to stitch down our shapes to the background. Now, with all of our Block of the Month programs, we provide supplemental videos to help you enjoy the journey and explain the different techniques that we use to make our quilt. Specifically, I will be showing you how to use the combination of the light box and the applique pressing mats to pre-assemble these shapes. So we're not bringing them onto the background one by one, but we're bringing them on as major units. That's going to help make our process a lot faster and more accurate. All the shapes are going to line up beautifully using our layout diagrams. Certainly you can see there's a little bit of hand embroidery. I'll be talking you through that as well in some supplemental videos, and those are available to you on Facebook. And of course, we love to have you join the conversation. Some of the other things that you might want to consider that we use to make our sample quilt, as you can see, there's pinwheels actually of different sizes, both here, here, and also in here. So if you enjoy using that sew on paper and then cut away, maybe you've seen me demonstrate that before. We use star singles. We use the 1.5, 2, and 2.5. Just something for you to consider, and I'll be covering those in the supplemental videos as well. Of course, you need some great rulers to get those very accurate cuts, whether you're cutting the backgrounds or you're working on that very precise piecing. And whenever I see precise piecing, fresh blade, good pins, of course, good thread, all those things that help us to be successful. So this is one that is very near and dear to my heart, and it looks beautiful displayed really in any room of the house. And we invite you to join in the fun. Reserve your spot. Grab that backing fabric, and if you are needing some thread, be sure to pick that up as well. So thanks for giving me a couple minutes of your day to show you our newest block of the month, Blessings of Spring Renewed.